Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can make a phone call on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now, before you can start to make a phone call, make sure you have already inserted a working SIM card at the bottom of the phone. So insert a working SIM card. If you have the signal and your SIM card has been activated, you should see the signal up here. After that, from the home screen, open up the phone app. So this is the phone app right here on your device. So tap on that to open up your phone app. Once the phone app has opened, you have different options available at the bottom here. You got the keypad, you got recent tab. Recent tabs show all your calls that you have recently made. Contacts. Tap on the contacts tab will show all your contacts on your device, and you can tap on one of the contacts and then tap on the call button. So there is a call button, you can tap on that, and that will allow you to make a call. Okay, so that is another option. Or if you tap on the keypad, you can put in the phone number manually. So in here, you can put in the phone number manually and then tap on the call button. When you put in the phone number at the top here, it will also show you a list of all the contacts that has that same phone number. So you can tap that from the list, or you can manually key in the phone number and tap on the call button. When you tap on the end button, there is also a call button right there that you can tap on it to make the call again or redial that number. And that's it. So that is how you can make a call. So if we open up the phone app, you can make a call directly using the keypad to manually key in the phone number. Or if you want to redial the most recent call, all you have to do is tap on the keypad, then tap on the call button, and this will allow you to call the last number you have made. Another option is to tap on contacts, and then from the contacts list, tap on the contact that you want to call, then tap on the call button. You can make a call from the recent list in here. So multiple ways of making the call. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.